All right, guys, nothing but good vibes here. Yeah, man, we're actually going on our first real treasure hunt. How awesome is that? How many times you actually get a chance to do that? Look, I'm gonna turn it around here so you guys can see. I was trying to show you a sunrise, but look. Woo. Right? Hey, and we're actually going on a real life treasure hunt. Zach bought a book and has, came up with some pretty educated understanding. Solid list of 13 things that, in my personal opinion, after looking through myself and seeing the same thing from an objective way, I feel like it's worthy of our trip. It's not really too awful far for us, so we're gonna go check it out. And how many times in your life do you get to say you're going on a real life treasure hunt? Because it is actually legit. It's a treasure. The dude is legit. That's done it. It's it's a big deal and that kind of thing. So anyway, nothing but good vibes always. But I thought this was really cool. This is something I don't think. For me, we was talking about it earlier. Like there ain't. Yeah. Like how many times is anybody gonna get to really do anything like this? So
what are the chances that you get to take the opportunity and go with your best friend and go actually look for something that might change your life?
Indeed. That's what I mean. It's an experience that it's hard to really explain. But look, I'm gonna give you guys this view. Check this out. I hope you guys can see that, man.
Here it comes.
We're getting ready to come around this bend right here, and you guys are gonna be able to see this. I hope you can see it. Hope you'll be able to see it. This is right. Look at this nice view of this mountain that's in the distance. Huh? It's freaking awesome, huh? I know. I know.
This truck, he's doing good.
We're doing good though. We're getting close. I'm gonna share more as we can. This evening, obviously, we'll be reporting in. We'll let you know we'll let you know what's going on, and I'm sure that as soon as we get where we know it is, then the treasure's going to be there for sure. Hey, look at this view. Here we go. Here we go.
Right there.
Yeah. Oh man, the trees get me.
Right here,
If I was going through filmography school, see, I didn't even get it. Never mind, man. All right, guys. I'm not a filmer at all. At least not. I'm not good at motion picture, obviously.
Believe this behind me over here, though. Look at this.
Indeed, I know. I can't.
Oh my God.
Man, I can't get it. I can't get it. But they can. Oh, you can see a little bit of it behind me there. You can see it back there in the back. Whoa, watch it, man. Yeah.
I got it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, this is fun. Hang on. We'll be back in touch with updates along the way. Y'all have a great. Oh, look at this! Look at this!
It's coming right here in this gap.
Bam! Look at that!
For about 22 miles, continue straight.
Wow!
Huh? Look at that, guys!
Yummy!
Look at that, guys! Stellar! It's freaking awesome. All right, well look, y'all, this one's a long one, man. You guys be back in touch, let you know how it's going. Y'all say a little prayer for us. We'll let you take a little peek at the treasure when we find it. Until next time, good vibes. Take care. Woo!